I'm gonna say any minute now I'm gonna get a phone call from our conveyancer who are gonna say that settlement's just gone through. We got the keys. It doesn't really feel real, but I feel like every time big things like this happen, like even when I sold my balloon event decorating business, I just couldn't picture how life was going to be when it's like a big life change. Like not having that business was huge, and then I feel like this is another huge thing. Like we're moving into a new house that we've never been in before, so it's going to be interesting. It's going to be fun. I'm very much looking forward to it, but I'll keep you posted, and hopefully she rings soon. Oh my god, we just got an email saying there is a delay to settlement due to the refinance and the bank needing to transfer control of the security title. They have requested this to be done ASAP, however out of our control at the moment. Honestly. However, I do like our conveyancer, amazing. Like they're just so on top of everything. Like they keep us in the loop when there's no updates. Like they're just the best. So yeah, so I guess we just have to wait and see now when this comes through. I've just been on the phone, I think 5 different times to 5 different people, and that's not including transfers from one department to the other. Rang our old bank, about 30 minutes to get through to them. And then when I got through to them, she was like, I have to transfer you to someone else. Got to that person, he was like, I don't know why you're ringing us. And I was like, cool. Apparently it's sitting with the new bank. So then I rang the new bank and he was like, it is sitting with us. It's gone through this quality assurance team. Hopefully they're gonna have it done in the next 10 minutes. I don't know. So it's now 3:23. So apparently we have till 5 o'clock to like book in a slot for settlement. I think that's how it works. So really hoping this comes through soon so then we can do like 4 p.m. settlement so I can still get to the real estate agent to pick up the keys today. That is the plan. I think I'm gonna ring the real estate agent too, because I'm like, what time do you guys close for me to pick up keys? I just don't wanna have to deal with the real estate though. They're so painful. It is now 3:30, so we've missed the 3:30 block for settlement, which means we've got 4 o'clock, 4:30 or 5 left to go. When I rang the bank last time, he said that he was gonna follow up if we hadn't heard back in 10 minutes. That was about 15 minutes ago. So I'm really hoping my phone rings any minute now saying it's done. It's 3:35. I've gotta go and pick up Buds from work. I hope they ring while I'm on the way. I'm at Buds's work and I would simply pass away if one of his work friends saw me with this big ridiculous camera. But I just got an email from our conveyancer saying that the forms are through. We're all booked in for a 4 o'clock settlement, which is great. It's 3:48 at the moment. And then I've just asked about, I rang the real estate office too, can't remember if I said that. Rang the real estate office and said like, what time do you guys close? And they close at 5:30. So I've just sent an email to our conveyancer to be like, will all of the forms pending that settlement goes through smoothly at 4 o'clock be sent to them so I can go pick up keys today. This is stressful. This is so stressful. I mean, if we didn't have removalists booked in tomorrow, it would be fine, but we do.
How you going?
Amazing, I'm good, how are you?
Oh, good. You'll be even better to know. It's actually just settled.
Did she say enjoy the place that I said you to? We got the keys.
Take that off it.
We're not showing them. I wasn't gonna badmouth the real estate agent. The reception girls have been lovely. Anyway, we're about to go in and see our property, which I'm very excited for. We're in. Okay, so we've been to the new house. Now we're at our current house, which we have to clean and like, I really don't want to do this. This is what I'm currently dealing with. This is my office. I've already moved a couple of big things out. I've got a lot to get onto and I really can't be bothered, but we kind of need to get this stuff done. So that's what I'm gonna do now anyway. Hello. I have my plate in because we're about to go to bed, But today has been wild. It was like, I'm taking this out. It was like actually crazy. So it was like 27 degrees while we're moving house, and it was fine that we did multiple loads. The truck came, everything worked out perfectly. We're fully in. Mum was here too, and my father-in-law, so we got heaps done. And then like around like 7 o'clock at night, it started to get really dark, and like this storm came through, and this was like not your usual storm. It was fully hailing to the point where our garage flooded at the new house. So like where we are, it came down the driveway of the other property, and like the water was going through our garage to out the front. I'll insert some videos so you can see, but it was absolutely crazy. I'm so glad that we hadn't like filled our garage full of boxes or anything, because they would have been saturated. Our gym gear was in there, so we'll assess the damage of that tomorrow, but Buds thinks it'll all be fine, which is great. But yeah, we are about to have our first sleep. Actually, I did have a nap this afternoon and I was very comfortable. This house is just, it's so much better. Our whole plan was to move in here and renovate, and I'm like, I just love it how it is, which is, it's old and it needs renovating, but like, it's really cute. Like, look at the, like, I know it doesn't look like much, but the touch of these, everything feels like brand new and really luxe. We spoke to the other people that live on the property, like on the other, there's another unit here, and she was saying that the people that used to live in here were a cute little Italian couple. They were old and they never had kids, and they were just the sweetest people, and it just feels so homey and cozy and like so cute. Anyway, we're gonna go to bed, and we have a big day tomorrow of cleaning up our old house. We've got carpets getting done there on Thursday. Today's Tuesday, so we've got tomorrow to sort of do the big clean, and then Thursday carpets will get done. So we've got a lot to still do, but it's feeling like home already. We've got to get our TV set up. The antenna's not working and the gas isn't on, but other than that, it's so cozy. I love it here. If you're doing a renovation anytime soon, you'll very quickly realize that there's so many little decisions to be made. And the first decision we had was carpet. So as soon as we got the keys, we knew that we'd be doing the bedrooms first, and we knew that the only thing that would really hold us up that we couldn't do ourselves was the carpet. So we went and made our selections first. Now when it came to selecting the carpet, there were so many different options, and something that I really struggled with is like, this obviously isn't our forever home, it's going to be a rental, but we wanted to make it feel really nice and homey. And usually when we go and select items, we'll look at like the base range, the mid range, and then like a high end range, and we usually find something in the middle. And this wool like nylon carpet was like perfect, but it was just sort of figuring out the color. And something I would highly recommend is make sure to take the samples home, put them in the house. Usually I'd recommend doing this once you've got the paint done, so you can sort of like compare it. But we took it, and we definitely are so glad with the selection we made. So we opted for option number 2. We found that 4, 5, and 6 we just didn't like. That just, it wasn't the feel of the house, and they were obviously quite dark. There was lighter options, but we just took these home as a comparison sort of thing. Option 1 was way too light, and option 3 like threw off the blue color, which I really didn't want. Hello, welcome to day 1 of officially actually doing some renovations in the house. We've been living in here for, I think it's 3 weeks. It'll be coming up to 4 weeks. And what's so funny about that is that we thought we'd move in and get straight on to the renovating. Hasn't happened. But what we're doing today is we're going to have to pull everything out of our 2 bedrooms. So we have our bedroom, and the other bedroom is used as like a wardrobe slash my office slash the dumping ground for things we couldn't find a space for. So we've got to move everything out of those into other areas of the house, e.g. the dining room and the lounge room, because we're going to rip up the carpet, and then we have to go and select paint because we're going to start painting as of Monday. It's all happening. Rip up the carpet, get paint, start painting, and then we've booked in the carpet, new carpet to come in I think 13 days or 12 days or something. So gotta get things moving. Absolutely dreading this because this morning Buds went for a run and he's done his hamstring, and my dad's car got stolen last night, so a lot of things on the mind. Let's hope I'm not getting sick. Okay, we've made progress. Firstly, our entire bedding is in the dining room. So is this chest of drawers. That's just temporary though, because, so in this room, now it's like this. Something that we wanted to look at was the curtain situation. And we're thinking we can just leave these old tracks that are there and then we'll just replace this vintage. Look at all the dust that's on there. So I think we're just gonna replace these. Like we'll just get other ones, but we can leave the tracks. We are gonna have to take them off for the painter. So I don't know if you can really see the different, you can there, like the different color in paint. It's like a light browny, sort of pinky sort of color. What else do we need to do, buds?
Take the curtains off, rip carpet.
Curtains off, and then we've got to rip the carpet up. So it's now time to say goodbye to our beautiful carpet that's probably been here for years. The carpet's actually very dirty, but Buzz doesn't think they're beautiful. I do. This feels like I shouldn't be doing this. Should we have masks on? Okay, all of the carpet is up and out. Now we've just got to lift up, what is this called? Underlay. And then we can hopefully reveal lots of $50 notes underneath. That'd be great. I'm now at the Bunnings car park because I'm gonna meet Buds here. Him and his dad just went to drop all of the carpet off to the tip. But we're going into Bunnings because we're looking at paint and we're hoping to get 2 or 3 different samples and then we'll take them home, test them on the walls and then figure out which one we want, which is super exciting. But I'm gonna bring you along. We're back from Bunnings and I've got 3 different sample pot colour things and they're all white. But something that I've learned from our last renovation is that there's a million different colours of white. So we're gonna paint each of these on the wall and then I'm gonna pick which one we want. I think I know, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't mind it. I'm happy with it. This is the white exchange half. I think that was the one that we liked
Where's
most.
that sheet?
In the car. Ignore all the scratches on the walls. I think that's from when we've like moved furniture around. Actually, I think they were already here before we moved in. But this is the one that I think we're gonna go with. Again, they kind of all look the same. We haven't really gone many different. So I think we're just gonna go with that one. I really don't care in this house. I'm like, whatever we pick, you can already see how different it looks to the walls already. So I'm excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait. It's gonna look so nice. Even putting in a new light has completely changed the look and feel. Actually, maybe I should try the light on with the colours. Yeah, see how that one is a much more grey than the other ones. Even on camera, I think it shows up. So the one that I thought Buds and I liked is the far one, but it kind of looks a little bit blue, I feel. I really like the lighter ones, but again, I don't really care, but I do kind of care because I don't want a blue room. And I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. That colour. Like this colour. I think that one. Or we go really light.
No.
Too light.
Yeah.
That's nice though. But then look at the marks on
Black
it already.
yeah, no. Yeah, the darker one.
Yeah, I feel like it's more durable too.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh god. You see my hand just whacked that then?
No?
Ow. Not funny.
Time to pack her up, boys.
Are these the same? They match. Bargain.
Like the
That's-
one hanging up there. Yeah, or
Yeah,
is
but
that
that's
too?
a 69 centimetre drop we need. And 91. Yeah, maybe it goes down. What was it again?
2100.
21. 221. Roll length. I think that's fine. And then that will go with. I reckon it's gone too dark again. Do you reckon that's. You don't reckon that's too dark for the carpet?
Similar to the carpet, dark and more.
Yeah. Maybe we'll just go have a double check it. I love that.